How to merge two videos on an iPhone. To merge two videos on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will see an interface like this. From here, you need to tap on the Movie option. With this option, you will be able to make videos from scratch and even merge videos into a new one. Select videos from the gallery. Once you're done, tap on the Create Movie button at the bottom of your screen. You can see that both the clips are merged. Now, tap on the middle point of both videos and add a transition towards it. You can select the style of the transition from the bottom panel. Once you're finished, tap on Done in the top left corner of your screen. There you go, you have successfully merged both videos. Now, to export the file, you need to tap the Share icon on the bottom panel. After that, tap the Save or Share Video option from the menu. By following these simple steps, you can easily merge two videos on an iPhone.